Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the YouTube search not working problem. So if your search bar isn't loading or showing results, follow along step by step to get it working again. All right, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps, then choose Manage Apps or All Apps depending on your device. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type YouTube here to find the app quickly. Once it appears, tap on it to open its app settings. Next, tap Uninstall Updates and confirm. This removes the latest updates and resets YouTube back to its default version, which often fixes bugs like the search issue. After that, close Settings and open the Google Play Store. Search for YouTube again, then tap Update to install the latest version of the app. Once the update is finished, open YouTube and check the search bar. It should now be working perfectly. And that's it. Following these steps is the easiest way to fix the YouTube search problem on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. If you still face any issues, drop a comment below and I'll help you out.